Ladies and gentlemen, oh, gentlemen and ladies, look at that, Barry White in the background, and he just wants to let y'all know whatever, okay? Because he's never gonna give you up, okay? All right, Barry, could you hold on, my brother? We're gonna be with you in a second, okay? All right, ladies and gentlemen, the LaSalle case can be found here at docsshare.tips, okay? And you just put in the search, Horace versus LaSalle. Now, this is memo in support of summary judgment. This is the part about the attorney. Now, I've already taken the liberty. You got liberty? Give me liberty or give me liberty. Oh, Lord. You just couldn't come up with nothing. You're right. Shut up. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see if this is the document. Now, what I did is earlier today, I was telling people that I could not get this. So, see, it wouldn't let me select earlier, but now it's letting me select. So basically, I just had to do this. Okay, and now I can copy and paste the words. My hope is to be able to do the same thing to this document because I want what the attorney said, because I'm going to tell you, I'm going to show you, I'm going to make you love me. Yes, I will. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, watch this. TikTok. Oh, that's right. This has case law in it at the bottom of the page. You see, this ain't going to pick up all that draft and stuff. Okay, now I could, but I was not going to. Yeah, let's do that. I was going to say, look, we're going to copy as rich text. Okay, why are we going to copy as rich text? Because I think it's this document. Which one is it? This one. Okay, we're going to copy because that's the first copy. Getting ready to use that to create something, but we're going to do this. Watch that. Okay, and eventually we can take care of the format. Okay, so eventually we can take care of the formattation. The ferment, that's right. We're going to take care of the firmament. That's right. To prove there's a flat earth somewhere on this where somebody, oh, you know what? I can prove that the earth is flat. That's right. Give me any piece of paper and I will draw you the earth, and there you go. You got a flat earth. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, basically, now you know how to get what the attorney said. Now, for instance, when he uses this case law, okay, watch this. Hold on. I don't need that case law. I just do this. Watch. Do you see that? You see how easy that is? Without having to put Atlantic civil procedure, I don't do that. I just do, watch this. Uh-oh, that was a mistake. Got to do comma, then that. Okay? I don't need to use the case law that he's using. Because why? Pay attention, people. Watch this. Got to put my comma in there. I just quote it because these judges, they say the same thing in all these cases. It doesn't change. In every case, they say the same stupid thing. Why? Because they're not intelligent. That's right. And I don't give a what type of judge you are. Okay? You're not in there to think for yourself. It is, you are prohibited from substituting your opinion, your thoughts. You can't think for yourself. It's against the law. So since they can't think for themselves, ladies and gentlemen, that makes them what? Just like you. Stupid. Just kidding. Just kidding. I wasn't calling you stupid. Yes, I was. No, I wasn't. Stop that. Okay? I wasn't doing that. I just don't want y'all to think that I think that y'all stupid. Okay? It's not a matter of thinking. Stop that! God, he gets on my nerves, y'all. Okay, he really does this, gets it on my nerves. Okay, he does this. Let's see. We want to view this in Well, it's supposed to be in print layout. Oh, shut up, Anthony Hamilton. Mama New Love. Ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Gentlemen. We got Anthony Hamilton in the house. And he just came from off tour and he got a little something he want to say. All right, that's what I'm. Then where were you? You know I'm looking for you because I want to do this. Okay. Got to get that formatting. That formatting was the thing that was hurting me because I want to copy and paste. Now, we're going to do something just so that you guys will know, so that I can keep the whole case. We're just going to convert this. You're going to do a conversion? Yeah, but not the type of conversion that you get with a van. You know, like they do the full conversion. We ain't going to do that type of conversion. Okay. This is this one right here. Okay. What we're doing, it's already there. Uh-oh. It says I can't save that doc. Uh-oh. Do you know why it can't be saved? Because I got it open. Okay. This is the support and motion. So this is open. So I got to close this. Got to wait. There you go. Mama, I'm going to struggle with you. I'm going to help you see the big picture. Oh, y'all don't know about Mama New Love? Hold on. Mama New Love, y'all. Mama New. You never have to worry. Mama, I loves you. Mama New Love. Anthony Hamilton, everyone. I'm glad that Anthony, after the years of struggle, finally got the wide span notarization that he was supposed to be getting. I don't know why I can't close this thing. Hurry up. Mama New Love. As a matter of fact, this morning, I don't have as many programs open, but as you see, it wants to give me some difficulty. And something is up. Oh well, life goes on. So let me put y'all on pause. Watch it straighten up the moment I see. The moment, that's all I got to do is threaten I'm going to do something. And it just starts straightening up and acting. See, the moment I said I wasn't going to do it, look at that. See, the moment I go to that button, all of a sudden, now it wants to do what it's supposed to do. Okay, so as you see, let's see if we have this. Now remember, the document that we were just looking at has, I believe it does have the word draft in it. So let's go there. I can get rid of that. I don't need that junk. Let's see if it has the draft in it. Yeah, it does have draft in it. Okay, but by me copying and pasting what I need, and you can do the same thing. You don't have to copy the whole thing. I'm looking just for the arguments. I don't care about the... I didn't ask for no movie to be popping up. Get out of here. Oh, Power DVD 18? Ladies and gentlemen, I watch all of my movies and TV shows on Power DVD. Hey, somebody... Look, y'all just need... Don't ask my neighbor. My neighbor don't know nothing. My neighbor's stupid. But you're supposed to love your stupid neighbors. I do. I love all of my stupid neighbors. Because as long as they remain stupid, I'm safe. Hold on. Well, look at this. No, the other one did this too. I gotta make sure because this is the one that has the draft in it. Okay, that's the problem, and the draft is gonna show up in this. So that's why I can't do it this way. Because the moment I do this, like I want to select the text. Wait, okay, it's going to let me select the text. But if I go down, you see how it picks those boxes? Okay, so that's the problem. I can do it up to there. And by the way, the defendant trust is a New York common law trust governed by the laws based in New York. That's what we want. We want that type of language. But see, this is the problem about me selecting everything. Oh, you know what? Sorry, there is a way for me to select everything. Everything! There is a way. And so let's do this. Okay, that's what I need. I don't know how I got rid of it. I never was trying to get rid of that. Look, there is a way to do this. Watch. Select all. And then watch this. We're going to copy. And now we simply going to paste without all of the formatting. And let's see if it happened. Let's see if it let me do that. Do you see? No more draft. Just the words. Okay? So that's how I can get all of the words without all the stupidity. Yes, yes, yes. Editing, 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 but I don't care about the editing. Why? Why don't you care about the editing? Well, because this is how it works, and this is as simple as it can be, ladies and gentlemen. I don't need to edit. I'm not looking to edit. I'm looking for the words. I'm looking for the language that the attorney used. Again, when he says things like, will accord the moving party all reasonable favorableness with inference to the evidence. Okay, now watch this. I get rid of this. I don't need the case law. I just need the words from the court. Why? Because this is what the courts are saying. This is not what the attorney is saying, and he's getting this from their case law, because if you guys have ever read case law, all of the courts say the same thing. They're reading from the same script because they must be uniformed. Okay? They're officers. So officers wear a uniform. So all of their rules are uniformed rules, people. Uh-oh, got to get my coat back. Okay, and as you see, nothing about Atlanta is anywhere in here. So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to create a lawsuit. So what I want to do is I want to use these words to create a lawsuit. Ladies and gentlemen, you get to do the same thing, and you don't have to be a lawyer. Okay? You just take the words of the lawyer. And guess what? The lawyer already gave you your arguments. Okay? The lawyer already gave you your arguments. The defendant's trust has no standing to foreclose because there has been no valid enforceable assignment to the trustee of the trust. Okay? Now, if it's me, if I'm talking about no valid enforceable assignment, I'm not adding all of this. I'm going to say the defendant trust is a common law trust governed by law based on trust agreements. Okay? Just as simple. I don't have to use all the other words. I don't have to talk about the New York Trust because all trusts are based on the same principles of law. Okay? All trusts are common law trusts. Of course, you're going to have your statutory trust, but not dealing with these banks. These banks don't want to be set up as a statutory trust. But I prefer the common law. That's why I hold on to the words common law. So, ladies and gentlemen, what I have to do with this document is I have to make it more amendable to what I need. And I can even do standard of review for a lawsuit. So when I create my lawsuit, pay attention, I'm going to use this stuff. Okay, watch this. Watch this. Uh-oh, can't do it that way. I needed to, no, I don't need that. No, it ain't doing what I needed to do. Sorry. Well, anyway, I just get rid of all of the stuff that doesn't apply. Like this stuff on blah, blah, blah. The defendants, blah, 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 sent the notice of acceleration of promissory note and mortgage to the plaintiff. The plaintiff then filed the instant cause. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe Alabama is a non-judicial state. Hold on, let me prove that. Get out of the way. Jump of the aisle. Don't look any further. Love you all over. Oh, baby, don't look any further. Dennis Edwards. Y'all know Dennis, don't y'all? I believe Dennis was formerly of the Temptations. List of U.S. states that are judicial and non-judicial. The difference between a judicial and a non-judicial state. You all need to look that up because a non-judicial state is administrative. That's sorry. First, I need to get this list. So let's click on that. I was supposed to be putting in Alabama, and if you see, it missed the B. And it missed the L. I don't know how it could have missed the B and the L because I specifically made sure I typed in the B and the L. Sit up here and miss the B and the L. We just gonna open up the PDF. Okay, we just gonna open up the PDF. Okay, now it's finished. We just do open. Come on, open. Let's see. Might as well look at the states who are judicial and non-judicial. A list of U.S. states which are judicial or non-judicial. States that are judicial foreclosure states: Connecticut, Delaware, Florida, Illinois, Indiana, Kansas, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Nebraska. Hey, I did not know Maryland was a judicial state. Wait, where's Alabama? Ain't no A's up there. Look at that. They don't even start with the A's. Okay, A's don't have it, y'all. Oklahoma, South Dakota, and Wisconsin have non-judicial foreclosure provisions in their state laws. However, judicial foreclosure is common. Okay, now, Alabama, non-judicial. Okay, so what happened when Alabama decided to foreclose on somebody's property? In California, usually when you get your notice of foreclosure, oh, look at that. They got foreclosure laws and procedures by state. Yes, open up. Let's get rid of you. Let's get rid of you. Close the door, y'all. Close that door. Let's do the difference between judicial and non-judicial state because, see, a lot of you are not. See, Washington State, non-judicial foreclosure. Washington is a state that I'm interested in, but we're not going to talk about that right now. Let's do the differences. And I'm glad y'all got me instead of that automated voice talking thing. Is relatively simple, but an important and often misunderstood part of foreclosure process. We're encountering a lot of confusion among agents and homeowners about this issue. But here are some clarifications. What are some clarifications? Judicial. A judicial state requires a judicial review of the foreclosure case before it can be officially processed. The foreclosure process actually begins with filing of a lis pendens, a lawsuit pending, document in a court of law. Following are states that require judicial review. So we already went over that. Non-judicial state. In non-judicial states, the lender's trustee files a notice of default with the county recorder's office to commence the foreclosure process. The process does not need to go through the court. These states include, and we got that. Remaining 25 states allow judicial and non-judicial states, though some have tendency towards one practice or another. Okay, for some additional clarification, Tom Lawler, former director and senior vice president of Fannie Mae, recently provided information to explain, informative explanation in the post. We don't care about vice president of Fannie Mae. What's he got to do with explaining anything? He's Fannie Mae. Anyway, some states allow both judicial and non-judicial foreclosure, and in some states, judges have enormous discretion as to how to handle a foreclosure. In many judicial states, foreclosures can be challenged, and some challenges have increased drastically. This distinction has become increasingly visible due to the recent foreclosure freezes by major lenders nationwide. most of which initially halted foreclosure proceedings in the states requiring judicial review. As a real estate agent, make sure you understand the foreclosure process and timelines in your state so that you can properly educate your distressed clients. Never before has the Council of Educated Real Estate Agents been in greater need. This is another opportunity to demonstrate your value and blah, 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 blah. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there's between a judicial state and a non-judicial state, and I want you to pay attention because I done told y'all, but some of you guys don't hear it correctly because you mix what I tell you with the junk you hear on the internet. But you give that money, shut up. Ladies and gentlemen, a non-judicial foreclosure is an administrative process. Why? Because the trustee or lender files a notice. They file, not record, file a notice. If they file a notice of default, you have the right to challenge that filing of that notice. Now, I can't tell you how to challenge that filing because see, if they file the notice of default, you have the right to challenge that notice of default. Okay? And you should be able to record that challenge on the record, the same as the default notice being filed. We're going to be challenging the notice of default on the record in our proceedings by doing the notice of change in terms of agreement, notice of assignment. Okay, the same as they do notice of assignment. We're going to do our notice of assignment. We're going to do it as the borrower being a, hold on, because some of y'all gonna get it, then some of y'all ain't gonna get it. Not that one. That's the document we did yesterday. Some of y'all gonna get it and some of y'all ain't gonna get it. Gotta wait for my computer to catch up. On behalf of the beneficiary, because the borrower is a third-party beneficiary in a pooling and servicing agreement created by the defendant's trust. Hold on, ladies and gentlemen. The borrower is a third-party beneficiary. The trustee acts on behalf of the beneficiary. Only the beneficiary can do assignments. I'm not kidding. The borrower is the beneficiary. The borrower can do assignments. We already told you guys that. You have to do a notice of change in terms of agreement. Okay? Pay attention. Did not comply with the terms of its own servicing and pooling agreement. Its own servicing and pooling agreement. Okay? Well, the borrower has an agreement. Remember, the borrower is the one who permitted and allowed all of this in the first place. Now, I'm hoping you'll understand. Okay? So, now we're showing you, not that. Get out of here! Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, what we have done, we don't want to break up. We don't want to make up because that's all we do. You know, first we love you, then we hate you. That's a game for fools, okay? Ladies and gentlemen, let's give you guys this website so that you guys have it. Tell me what's wrong with you now. Tell me just... ladies and gentlemen, what I was getting ready to do is I was getting ready to give you the search link. I will put the search link for how I got here. I will put that in the subject line, the same as I did in the previous video did this morning referring to this case. I will put the search link so that you can pull up the exact same search page. But then, in order for me to get to that page, I had to go to the memo. Along the side there, as you saw, there were a list of the different, you want the Horace versus LaSalle, you want the one that includes the memo, and the one that includes the summary judgment. Okay, see Horace versus LaSalle, and see all of these, and this is the motion and order third-party beneficiary. That's not the one you want. You want support, memo, and support. That's the one you want. Okay? What's this? I didn't ask this. Get out of here. Uh-oh. I think I just deleted what I was doing, so I can't give it to you. Let's see if I can pull it back up. Hold on. Yeah, let's do that. Because I think it's, yeah, this is the one. Whew. Because I don't need the judicial, non-judicial. Hey, it still didn't pull it up. What's up? I know I clicked on it. Oh, maybe we're through. Break up to make up. That's all we do. Uh-oh. Oh, that's right. It can't pull up that page. And ladies and gentlemen, I put y'all on pause. Hold on. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I can't give you the search history. Try looking for it, but it ain't there no more. Sorry about that. Just have to live with it because, you know, it ain't something that you need anyway. But I will put the link for how to get to the actual document that you'll see me looking at here. And you saw how I did it. All I did was copy the entire thing after converting it to Word. Copy the entire thing. No, I didn't go to File. I went here to Paste. And Paste normally gives you three options. It gives you paste, and it gives you a middle option. It gives you a first option. I clicked on the very first one, which is this one. It has the A next to it. It's keep the text only option. Okay, that's what I clicked on, and that's how I kept the text. Okay, just the text, not just the text, ma'am. Only the text. Okay, not the other junk. I only needed the text. Okay, that was it. Just the text. Didn't need anything else. Okay, but because this is more than 25 pages, there's a lot of editing and formatting when I do it this way. But again, I don't need the whole thing. Okay, and by the way, the reason why the judge permanently enjoined the defendants is because the attorney specifically asked for them to permanently enjoin the defendants. You want to foreclose? You better have the rights to do so, is what the attorney was saying. So, ladies and gentlemen, I know other people have used this. I don't care. What I'm trying to tell you, those of you who don't know what you're doing, and you don't, I know you don't know what you're doing because I know you. Okay? I know you. All right? Okay, boo? I know you. So, look here, Yogi and Boo Boo. Ah, Boo Boo. I was about to pick in the basket. Mr. Ranger, sir. Okay? I know you, boo. I know you don't know. So I am giving you the way to create your lawsuit. As I said before, you're going to take a lawsuit by another attorney, and you're just going to go through it the first time. The first time, you're just going to go through it and format it. Then you're going to get rid of everything that doesn't apply to you. Everything. And then you're going to go in and edit it and put in the stuff that applies to you. Okay? All right. We'll let you know what we come up with later. But for right now, we done did our job. Y'all have a coke. Y'all have a smile. See y'all in a little bit of a more while. Adios.